Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Leo.
And I'm Sarah, and today we're doing something fun.
We're testing you. We've gathered 5 super common English mistakes, the kind almost every learner makes, even people who've been studying for years.
So here's the game. I'll show you a sentence. You decide, is it right or is it wrong? You can even pause the video if you want to guess.
Don't worry, these are common mistakes, so let's learn them together. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to avoid them. Let's go.
Okay, mistake number 1. Leo, say a sentence for me.
Sure. Sarah, I don't understand this word. Can you explain me?
Nope, that's wrong.
Wait, really? I hear people say that all the time.
I know it's super common, but it's incorrect. In English, you can't explain a person. You explain a thing to a person.
Oh, so I need to before me.
Exactly. Same with words like describe and say.
Give me an example.
Describe me the movie is wrong. It should be describe the movie to me.
Easy trick. If you're about to say explain me or describe me, stop and add to before me.
Perfect memory trick.
My turn to quiz you, Sarah. Question. What does your new apartment look like? Right or wrong?
That one's actually right.
Correct. But here's the trap. A lot of people say it a different way. Like, how does your apartment look like?
And that one is wrong.
Why? They look so similar.
Because you can't use how and like in the same question. You pick one.
So what look like? Yes. How look? Yes. But mixing them? No.
Exactly. Think of it like a rule. Like only travels with what, never with how.
Got it. Quick tip for everyone watching. Say it out loud a few times. What does it look like? How does it look? Let your mouth get used to it.
Okay, next one. This is a classic. Leo, tell me about your day.
Well, this morning I woke up late and I had to make my homework really fast.
Wrong verb.
What? I say this every single day.
Exactly. You do homework. You don't make it.
Okay, but then what do I make?
Great question. Here's a simple way to remember it. Make means to create something new. So you make a cake, make a decision, make a mistake.
Oh, not do a mistake?
Right, another common one. It's make a mistake, not do a mistake.
And do is for
Tasks. You do your homework, do the dishes, do exercise, do your best.
so it's not about the action itself, it's about the category.
Exactly. Creating something new to make, completing a task or duty to do. It takes practice, but once it clicks for good.
All right, Sarah, let's talk business. We need to discuss about the budget.
So close, but wrong.
No, not again. What's wrong with it?
Discuss already means to talk about. So adding about is like saying the same thing twice.
So discuss is one of those verbs that doesn't need a preposition after it.
Exactly. It goes straight to the object. No about needed. Last one, Leo. And this one's a bit different. It's not about grammar rules. It's about two words that sound almost the same but mean totally different things.
Let me guess. Then and than?
Exactly. Watch this sentence. I'm taller than my brother.
Looks fine to me.
It looks fine, but it's actually spelled wrong. When you're comparing two things, you use than.
Okay, so than is for comparisons. What's then for?
Then is about time. What happens next? Or after something. For example, I woke up, then I had breakfast.
Easy trick to remember?
Yes, think A for compare to than, E for next to then.
That's the trick. Okay, before we go, let's test you. Sarah's going to read 3 sentences. You decide, correct or wrong. If it's wrong, shout out the fix.
Question 1. Can you explain me the rules?
Wrong. It should be. Can you explain the rules to me?
Question 2. I did a big mistake. Correct or wrong?
Wrong. It's I made a big mistake. Remember? Make a mistake, not do one.
And question 3. She's smarter than me. Correct or wrong?
Wrong. It's a comparison, so it needs than. She's smarter than me.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below.
How many did you already know? Let us know in the comments. Be honest.
And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Bye.